In this video, I will explain you about custom rule response types. So to get started, first we have to have some flow sequences in the flow. If we don't have, you can create them from add sequence. And to get started, we will change our response types from keywords and I to text input, custom rule. After you have custom rule as your response type, you can choose from these custom rules. Choose check user sentiments positive negative and submit this. You can see that you have two endpoints here. So if the user's response is positive, we have to connect this true endpoint to that sequence that we want to show next. And if you want to show a sequence that's endpoint result is negative, then you will connect this false endpoint. So we will create two more sequences. We create keywords and AI as response type. We keep intent as empty. Now we will connect both of these to our custom rule endpoints. So we will connect false one to this flow sequence, because we want to show oh no that's bad when the user sentiment is negative. But if the user sentiment is positive, we have to connect this true endpoint to this. So now when you go to the bot and if you click yes, this is the flow sequence where we have response type as custom rule. So if I type something positive, we get this positive response back. If we type some negative, then we get the false response. So if you guys can't see a custom rule that's not suitable, then you can raise a ticket. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys understood. Thanks for watching.